The new Austrail EasyFold 2P stretcher tent is a robust, comfortable touring tent that's quick and easy to set up. The EasyFold steel stretcher bed frame gets you up and off the ground, and the padded stretcher top ensures 2 adults can sleep in comfort. The ultra-fine, no-sear mesh inner tent provides great ventilation and keeps insects out so you get a restful night's sleep, while the 1500mm Waterhead-rated seam-sealed fly keeps you dry. 2 roof and ClimaTech vents further improve airflow and reduce condensation. The near vertical walls give you heaps of internal room and generous head height, and the large awnings on the front and back provide additional shade. 2 large entries and the raised bed make it easy for both adults to get in and out. The compact size makes it quick and easy for one person to set up and easy to transport and store. So if you're looking for a robust, instant touring tent that sleeps 2 adults in comfort, check out the Austrail EasyFold 2P stretcher tent.